Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to use CoinRabbit for passive income. CoinRabbit is a crypto-backed lending platform that allows you to earn passive income or get instant loans using a cryptocurrency. Unlike traditional banks, it works without credit checks. Everything is secured by your crypto assets like BTC, ETH or the stable coins. However, for the passive income, CoinRabbit mainly works by letting you deposit crypto and earn interest over time. So first, open any of the web browser you prefer, and in the top there's an address bar. Type down coinrabbit.io and enter it. Over here, what you have to do is click onto this My Wallet in the top right corner over here. And under this, you need to create an account. And after that, what you can do is you need to deposit your crypto as well. And you need to choose the earning option over here. Go to this wallet in the left hand side. And under this, what you have to do is you need to simply go to this top up here and choose your coin as well. You can select the amount, how much amount you want, and choose the balance over here. You can choose the crypto balance that you want and proceed it by selecting to this next on the bottom as well. And after that, you can also monitor your earning in the dashboard. In the left hand side, interest is added over time. You can track growth of your assets and you can withdraw it anytime by selecting to this wallet again over here and select to this withdraw. Enter the wallet address here. You need to receive your funds plus earned interest by scanning to download and simply go to this next and to proceed it. And that is it. CoinRabbit is a beginner friendly way to earn passive income from crypto without trading. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. If you have any queries or confusion, please comment down and we will reach out to you very soon.